This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Today, we are exploring the exciting world of reclaimed wood and showing you how leftover or discarded pieces can be transformed into money-making products. Reclaimed wood is not only eco-friendly but also a unique and valuable resource for crafting items that are highly desirable in the marketplace. Each fragment, whether it comes from an old piece of furniture, a deconstructed pallet, or leftover construction wood, has the potential to become a product that captures attention, meets a practical need, or enhances the decor of a home. With thoughtful design, proper finishing, and strategic marketing, these reclaimed materials can provide steady income while offering a creative and rewarding craft experience. The key lies in recognizing the inherent beauty in the wood, understanding what buyers want, and turning small fragments into high-value items that consistently sell. Reclaimed wood is a resource rich in character, often featuring natural textures, aged patinas, and unique grain patterns that add authenticity and appeal to finished products. The first step is assessing your materials, examining each piece for quality, structural integrity, and aesthetic potential. Even small, irregular fragments can be valuable if you approach them creatively. By organizing wood by size, type, and visual appeal, you can quickly identify which pieces are suitable for different types of products. This organizational step not only saves time but also inspires creativity, allowing you to envision products that combine multiple fragments into cohesive designs. Smaller reclaimed pieces are perfect for creating items such as coasters, miniature planters, picture frames, or decorative wall hangings. Despite their modest size, these items are highly sought after because of the unique textures and stories embedded in reclaimed wood. Adding finishing touches such as sanding, staining, or protective coatings elevates the look and feel of each piece, giving it a polished, professional appearance. Personalization is another powerful tool. Engraving names, meaningful words, or patterns into these small pieces significantly increases their perceived value. Even simple transformations, when done with care, result in products that are visually striking and marketable, turning what would otherwise be waste into profitable crafts. Medium-sized reclaimed wood can be transformed into functional and decorative items that command higher prices. Shelves, small tables, benches, cutting boards, and wall-mounted organizers are all examples of products that balance utility and beauty. By combining multiple pieces creatively, you can create larger surfaces or artistic designs that attract buyers looking for unique home decor. The natural imperfections in reclaimed wood, such as knots, cracks, or weathered edges, are not flaws but features that enhance the authenticity of each piece. Emphasizing these characteristics in your marketing, and showcasing the craftsmanship involved in preparing and finishing the wood, positions your products as desirable, one-of-a-kind items. Buyers appreciate the effort and artistry that transforms salvaged materials into functional art, and this appreciation translates into higher selling prices. Finishing techniques play a crucial role in the transformation of reclaimed wood into marketable products. Sanding smooths rough edges while preserving character, staining enhances the natural grain, and applying protective finishes ensures durability. For smaller items, resin inlays, painted accents, or wood-burning designs add visual interest and allow for customization. Medium-sized items benefit from thoughtful combinations of wood types, contrasting grains, and creative assembly to create products that are both functional and aesthetically appealing. The finishing process is where craftsmanship truly shines, turning ordinary pieces into high-value, market-ready products. Marketing reclaimed wood products effectively is essential to turning creativity into profit. Buyers are attracted to items with a story, and reclaimed wood inherently carries a narrative of sustainability, history, and uniqueness. Sharing the journey of each piece, from raw reclaimed fragment to finished product, builds an emotional connection with customers. Online platforms such as Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and eBay are excellent for reaching a broad audience interested in handcrafted and eco-friendly products. Social media, particularly Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, allows you to showcase your design process, demonstrate finishing techniques, and engage with potential buyers. Visual storytelling, including photos and videos that highlight the texture, character, and uniqueness of the wood, reinforces the perceived value of each item and encourages purchases. Local craft fairs and boutique stores also provide opportunities for direct sales and feedback, strengthening customer relationships and repeat business. Pricing reclaimed wood products requires consideration of material value, craftsmanship, and market demand. Because reclaimed wood is inexpensive or free, the focus should be on labor, finishing, and creativity. Small items like coasters, key holders, or miniature planters can be priced attractively for buyers while delivering significant profit relative to material cost. Medium-sized items such as shelves, small furniture, and cutting boards offer higher returns due to their functionality and complexity. Thoughtful pricing, combined with marketing that emphasizes craftsmanship and uniqueness, allows reclaimed wood projects to generate consistent income. Even larger, more elaborate items like benches or wall-mounted panels can command premium prices when presented as one-of-a-kind, handcrafted pieces. By balancing affordability with value, you can attract a wide customer base while maintaining healthy profit margins. Efficiency in production is vital for sustainable profitability. Organizing materials, establishing dedicated spaces for cutting, assembly, and finishing, and creating repeatable production processes enhance workflow and reduce time spent per item. Batch production, where multiple similar items are crafted at once, allows for uniform quality and increased output. Simple tools and jigs can be used to standardize measurements and cuts, ensuring consistency while minimizing errors. Efficient production, combined with quality finishing, enables you to maximize both output and revenue, making the most of reclaimed materials that require careful handling and preparation. Expanding your product line over time increases income potential and market reach. Seasonal decor, personalized gift sets, and themed collections attract different types of buyers and provide multiple revenue streams. Combining small and medium items into attractive sets enhances perceived value and allows for higher pricing. Customization options such as engraved names, painted motifs, or mixed media elements increase both appeal and profitability. By continuously refining designs and introducing innovative products, you can keep your offerings fresh and competitive while reaching a broader audience. The versatility of reclaimed wood ensures that creativity is never limited, allowing for constant evolution in product lines. Sustainability is a powerful selling point for reclaimed wood projects. Many buyers prioritize environmentally conscious purchases, and items made from repurposed materials resonate strongly in this market. By highlighting the eco-friendly aspect of your work, along with the creativity and craftsmanship involved, you appeal to buyers who value both quality and responsible production. Sharing the transformation of each piece, from discarded fragment to finished product, enhances the storytelling aspect and builds trust and emotional connection with customers. These narratives elevate the perceived value of products and encourage repeat purchases, while positioning your work as both artistic and responsible. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.